Fitter, top questions. PTCL, Ordnance, NTPC, ISRO, DRDO, DMRC, VEL, SEL, RAIL, NCL, NPCIL, CITS, ITI. Multiple choice questions for all technical students. Draw filing is done for best finishing. Right hand thread is also called as simple thread. Hot chisel is used in blacksmith shop. Chisel is made of high carbon steel. A drilled hole after tapping is called tapped hole. Second tap is also called intermediate tap. The electrical equipment is made of copper. The angle of BSF screw thread is 55 degree. Bonding is the term associated with grinding wheel. Grinding operations is used for finishing. The caliper meant for measuring the width of a slot is inside caliper. The caliper meant for measuring the diameter of shaft is outside caliper. Which process is used for super finishing of boards in ferrous and non-ferrous metal? Honing. Cast iron is the product from copula furnace. Which type of gears are used to transmit motion between shafts at various angles to each other? Bevel gears. Which type of gear set is used to change rotary into linear movement and vice versa? Rack and pinion. Which one of the terms refers to the process of removing the internal defects or stress that may have been caused by heat treating, normalizing? Rolling and extrusion are examples of hot working. The tool used in lathe machine, which has right hand helical teeth on one side and has left hand helical teeth on other side, is called as diamond. What is the purpose of hardening? To develop high hardness to resist wear. Which type of belt is used when the distance between the shafts is too short? V belt. The actual difference caused between the surface speed of the belt and pulley is referred to which term? Slip. Which one of the bearings carry vertical thrust loads? Thrust ball bearings. Size of a lathe is specified by center height. What is the included angle of pipe thread? 55 degree. Lathe cutting tool is made of high speed steel. In which type of work the half round file is used? Curved surface work. The compound rest is fitted on cross slide. The purpose of non-return valve is to permit water in which one of the ways on way follow. To hold cutting tools like drills and reamers in lathe machine, which is used? Tail stalk.